To the Boho Babe Homestead unboxing channel. Today I am unboxing a sort of like a chandelier kind of thing, but it's a industrial one that I got from Temu. I got this for $7. It was on sale, so I had to get it. This is the plate that holds it up in the ceiling. These are the lights. The full product is on the thumbnail, so that's what it looks like when it's mounted. So these are the parts for the bulbs to go in. I had no idea. I was super skeptical when I ordered this, and it was cheap. I had it in my cart for a long time, and I saw that the price dropped to $7, and that's why I went ahead and got it. I was expecting something super tiny, but this is a decent size. It said 5 inches, but this looks like it's about 5 inches, the size of my phone. And it's a 3 pendant one. We got some instructions. You can do it to your liking. You can use a single one, you can use the 3, you can use 2, and you can adjust them to the height or the design that you want. And these are the mounting equipment for the light. So this is it. I was super skeptical about Temu because I've seen people got some weird stuff completely differently from what they ordered, but this is good. I am impressed, and I will be ordering my fixtures from them. And yeah, so this is it. This would be in the living room because I'm going with a bohemian theme for the house. But I regret that. One thing I do regret is that I didn't get the one that has the boho style on it, but this is pretty good. Anyway guys, that's it for the 3 pendant light ceiling light. Thanks for watching. Installation will be done, and that will be posted on the homesteading channel. It's Boho Babe Homestead, so you can follow the DIYs and the setups over there, and see the finished products over on that channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this one. Help the channel grow, help me build my my brand. Anyway guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.